Hello people, so as some of you may already know, I enjoy drawing on my tablet occasionally, and I recently discovered that people use wireless joysticks as drawing shortcuts, but they cost around 250,000, which felt a bit expensive, so I decided to build my own small wireless keyboard. I initially considered using my Arduino or ESP boards, but they lack Bluetooth or HID support. So after comparing costs, I chose the ESP32C3 Super Mini, and it natively supports Bluetooth HID and is smaller than an Arduino Bluetooth module combo. It is cheaper too. The Arduino plus Bluetooth module combo could cost up to 58,000, while the ESP32C3 Super Mini only costs about 33,000. For the layout, I use 712 by 12 by 7.3mm buttons arranged in a shifted keyboard style rather than a grid. To save on wiring, I used a 3x3 scanning system, reducing the wires needed from 8 to 6. And then for the power, the device is powered by a 3.7 18650 battery with TP405 as the charging module. Next, I started designing the box. I designed it in Blender first and then imported it into Fusion to be traced. Moving from mesh-based modeling to boundary representation was a challenge. I need to sketch everything, but I like the ability to modify the timeline and have changes update automatically. Since this is my first time making a model for 3D printing, I watched a lot of tutorials on YouTube to make sure that I'm doing things right. Some important things that I learned are: first, clearance. I used a 0.5mm gap to ensure a good fit. Second, snaps. I avoided full perimeter snaps to reduce friction and made the arms thicker at the base for strength. Third, material. I chose BTG because it's less prone to breaking than PLA, allowing the snapped arms to bend. After the box is done printing, now it is time for assembly. I'm honestly very grateful that it went smoothly. It could be better, but I'm just glad everything fit inside the box. Now for the final cost. The final cost was only 108,000. But thanks to online discounts, the final price that I spent is just 69,000. With that being said, there's still some things that could be better, like I wish I chose the software buttons, because these buttons are quite hard to press, and an improvement for next time, I could made the buttons programmable through Wi-Fi, since the ESP32 board also supports Wi-Fi. Other than that, the Bluetooth keyboard is very useful for shortcuts, and even simple gaming. This project was a great way to learn new skills while building something practical. But yeah, I think that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.